In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to return an item from an online purchase. We all know that sometimes a product just doesn't meet our expectations or isn't quite what we ordered, and getting a refund can seem daunting. But fear not, I am here to walk you through a simple, efficient process for returning an item and tracking your return and refund status. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to access your purchase history. Most online stores offer a straightforward way to view your previous transactions. Simply log into your account and locate the section often labeled as Purchase History or Order History. This is your comprehensive record of everything you've bought through this account, and it's where you'll start your return process. Next, scan through your list of purchases to find the specific item you'd like to return. Once you've located your item, look for an option that says Return this item or something similar. Clicking on this link will begin the return process. Many online retailers provide this step right on the web page of your purchase history, ensuring everything is conveniently in one place. After you've clicked on Return this item, you'll be prompted to select a reason for your return. This step is important as it provides the retailer with information on why the product is coming back. Options typically include reasons like received the wrong item, item not as described, or item damaged. Be honest and select the option that best describes your situation to ensure a smooth return process. Once you've chosen your reason, the platform may give you the option to print a return label. If a return label is provided, go ahead and print it out. This label usually contains all the necessary information for the courier service, including the return address and your specific order details. Now, it's time to prepare your package for shipping. Securely pack the item back into its original packaging if you still have it, and affix the return label to the outside. Make sure all parts, if applicable, are included in the package to avoid any issues with your refund. Then ship the item back using the recommended service, which is often specified by the return label. After you've shipped your item, most retailers offer an option to track your return and refund status. This is an essential step to keep an eye on, especially if the refund takes a bit longer to process. Check your account or email for updates on the return process, which might involve logging back into your purchase history or receiving notifications about the return's progress. And there you have it, a complete guide to returning items and tracking your refund. Keep these steps in mind for a seamless experience the next time you need to make a return. Thanks for watching, and remember, a hassle-free return is just a few clicks away.